For more tech videos, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to write IMEI, Wi-Fi MAC address and Bluetooth address in Lenovo A850. In the previous video, some friends commented that they lost IMEI when they flashed custom ROM, and they asked me to make a video about IMEI. That's why I am uploading this video. There are different methods to write IMEI. In this video, I am going to show you how to write IMEI in Lenovo A850 by using SNWrite tool. SNWrite tool is an application used to write IMEI, Wi-Fi MAC address and Bluetooth address in MediaTek Android devices. To use this application, you need a Windows PC and you have to install USB drivers for Lenovo A850. If you don't know how to install USB drivers, I already uploaded a video about how to install USB drivers, and link of that video is given in description. Watch that video. After you install USB drivers, download SNWrite tool from the link given in description. Now open SNWrite tools folder. Double click on snwriter.exe. This is the interface of SNWrite tool. USB VCOM must be selected in COM port, and in target type select smartphone and click on system config. Here I am going to write IMEI, Bluetooth address and Wi-Fi address. So I only tick on IMEI, Bluetooth address and Wi-Fi address. Don't tick on any other options. If you are only writing IMEI, then only tick on IMEI. And here my phone has two IMEIs, so I click on dual IMEI. If your phone has only one IMEI, then don't click this option. After that, select database files. Database files are included in the stock ROM or custom ROM that you downloaded, and if you don't have database files, you can download it from the link given in description. Database files from that link is from my Lenovo A850. Click on MD1DB button and go to database files folder and click on BPLGU file and open it. Now click on APDB button and click APDB file and click on open. Now click on save and click on start. Here copy paste your IMEI, Bluetooth address and Wi-Fi address. After entering IMEI, Bluetooth address and Wi-Fi address, switch off your phone. Do not remove its battery and connect it to USB cable. Don't connect it to PC. Now click on OK button. Now you can see start searching preloader, COM port and handshake. Now connect your USB cable to the PC. Now your phone will boot to meta mode. If IMEI, Bluetooth address and Wi-Fi address are written successfully, then it will show pass message, and if nothing is written, it will show fail. If this video helped, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts, you can comment in this video. Thanks for watching.